That's Jonathan. He's gonna find out there's a ditch over there. Pretty good with snowballs. There's Rachel. I still think that your Winter Olympics course looks pretty awesome.
Thank you very much. I just support.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
I had nothing to do with it. Yeah, right. I wonder where all the snow came from. Oh well. Hey, Smiles. You having fun? Jeez. Click. Yay. Careful. It's very slippery. Over here, please.
Here's your turn, John. Why?
Because he can't go down the big hill. He's still a beginner. Right, David? Right.
Now hang on to the little. Go on. You like it?
Kids are having a blast.
You want to do it again? I won, baby! I won!
Yay, you won!
Yeah, I'm gonna play, baby! Come here, John!
It's a new Olympic sport called backwards into the ditch. Was there a problem with that? What happened?
That stupid boy made a hole in the here's a note.
It was the boys' fault.
Sometimes.
Boys are hideous? Keep that in mind. 9-year-old Rachel said boys are hideous.
And idiots.
As long as that continues on into the teenage years, we're all good. Let's not call each other names, thank you. Feel the love. Okay, with me is, buddy. Woo! Holy smokes! John, stop hitting your brother. You are. David, take the ramp, buddy. Okay, feet up. Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Here we go. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Down over these clouds, all these heroes come and go. You teach me to